Hello. In today's video, we're going to go through DegreeMAP and how it works. DegreeMAP is the university's advising tool. It maps out each student's program requirements and the completion status of those requirements, including all courses and non-course requirements, such as the completion of comprehensive exams, advancement to candidacy exams, or foreign language exams. DegreeMAP is important. First, it gives you a visual and interactive tool to monitor and track your degree progress from beginning to completion. And second, your DegreeMAP must reflect 100% completion of your degree requirements in order for you to be cleared for graduation. DegreeMAP can be accessed via the GWeb information system, which you will log into using your GW ID followed by @gwu.edu. From your student menu, you can select Access DegreeMAP in order to launch your DegreeMAP record. Once on your DegreeMAP, you'll see all of your individual student and degree program information, including your academic standing, any prior degrees awarded at GW, as well as your advisor information. Your DegreeMAP record is comprised of two main sections: your overall degree requirements section, as well as your program requirements section. In both your degree requirement and program requirement sections, you will see the credits required for your degree, the credits in which you have registered, your credits applied, the academic year in which you're admitted to the program, and your overall GPA. If you click on the three dots at the top right-hand corner of your DegreeMAP worksheet, you can find additional information about your GPA, class history, courses you've taken to date, as well as any notes or petitions on your record. Some students also have a fall-through section, which shows courses which do not automatically count towards your program requirements. Only your program's Director of Graduate Studies may approve courses to be moved from the fall-through to the program requirements section. For this reason, it is very important to ask for your advisor's approval before registering for a course outside of your program or department. Similarly, some students may have courses in a not counted section. These courses do not apply to your degree program requirements. CCAS recommends that students check their DegreeMAP at least twice per semester, once before registration to help you and your advisor narrow down your course selection, and once again after registration to confirm your course selections and to determine if any of your course selections need to be moved out of fall-through and apply to your program requirements. If you find any errors in your DegreeMAP, we recommend that you contact your program's Director of Graduate Studies. Their information can usually be found by clicking the envelope icon at the top right-hand corner of the worksheet. We hope that this information has been helpful and that you will use your DegreeMAP tool often throughout your graduate studies journey. Good luck and thank you for watching.